What's up, guys? We're back. I know a lot of people have Infinitis, and the Infiniti emblem that's on the engine cover falls off, or when you get your Infiniti, it doesn't even have one. So today we're gonna go over the fix. All right, so there we go. Infiniti emblem gone. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the engine cover off, and I'll show you what's next. We have the engine cover off the car. You can see the first step is to take our base plate and we're gonna center it, and then we're gonna mark each one of the holes before we start to drill. After marking and drilling the holes, you wanna make sure that your base plate does line up with your new holes that you just made. It'll look pretty good. So here is the emblem that we're going to be installing. So we prepped and built the emblem. I have the hardware here, Allen key hardware. A little washer in between to give it some depth. We're going to put it in here, and I'm going to add the washer and the lock nuts. I'll show you guys when I'm done. So we have the hardware lined up, drilled straight through, locked down. On the reverse side, 8mm nuts with washers. You can see the old Infiniti emblem location, and now custom new one. So we're gonna get it cleaned up, and we'll show you what it looks like in the engine bay. Didn't like not seeing the emblem in there. Let's see. When the light hits it, it changes colors.